Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok and play Fortnite. For this, first you just need to go to tiktok.com or download the TikTok app on your desktop. Here, you can see the lives, the other creator streamers playing their games, their favorite games on live. Now, if you want to go to live on TikTok, you just need to click on your profile icon at the top right corner, then creator tools, and here you will find the live studio. And this is the page where you can download the TikTok Live Studio app for your Windows. You can just click on this download button and you can download this TikTok Live Studio. By this app, you can easily go live on TikTok and play any games you want. This feature is so cool that are provided by TikTok. Just like this, your screen will show up like this. You can see the comments, you can control your live, you can control your background, you can play and pause any and many other features available in this app. So download this app, open it, and select your screen that you want to share on live. You can share whether with a landscape screen or the vertical screen as you want. Now, when you want to go live in TikTok and play Fortnite, you just click on the you just enter you just need to open up this TikTok Studio app and select your screen that you want to share on your live stream. Then start your live streaming, then enter your Fortnite game and start playing. First, check up your sound, your voice, then the recorded video, the screen you are sharing, and the frame rate also. This is simple as you see. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.